Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at JASMY coin or JASMY. Currently ranked at 154, we are having a market cap of about $174 million. We have a 24-hour volume just about shy of what of $12 million. And today we would be looking at the chaos right there before the fireworks happening right here for Jasmy. And so without further ado, let us move over to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Jasmy. Jasmy versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And we have been saying that this is the primary counts that we are expecting. We are expecting one more push right here to the support level for the end of September before we see that push to the upside for Jasmy. As we have been saying, September is usually a chaotic month right there in the market for just a lot of cryptocurrencies, including Jasmy, right? And if we look at our uh volume profile, as you can see, we are already seeing some of the buyers come in, right? But this is not enough, as we could still see one more push to the downside right there for Jasmy before we see any other push to the upside. We have said this, right, that September is always filled with chaotic, right? Since right here from 2013, this data from 2023, the data on the crypto market, we have always seen most of the time, right, a chaotic time or a big fake out right there in September for the market, and we always, like clockwork, always recover in October, right? And so we said we probably could see more sideways or downward price action right here in September, and then we are getting ready or accumulating even more to recover right there in October, right? And so if we look at the higher time frames right here for Jasmy, the higher time frame gives us a couple of examples of what we are expecting. As you can see, just based on the dossier channel, we are holding this level, but we could see one more push to the downside before the end of the month. And as you can see, forming huge bullish divergence, but not very strong, as you can see on the MACD right here. But of most importance and concern is the RSI right here. The RSI has just formed some sort of a double top and huge bearish divergence, so we could see one more push to the downside, which we are saying in the beginning of the video, right, that we could still see one more push. And as you can see, our RSI is already giving us a hint on higher time frames that we could see one more dump before a any kind of pump. Also, if we look at the stochastic is very overbought, right? And so we could see one more push to the downside to reset the stochastic on the 3 days time frame, because we know every single time we have seen the stochastic at this level, as you can see, we have pushed to the downside. Same thing right here, push to the downside. So we should be expecting one more low, right, for Jasmy, a push to the 0.03414 level before we see that final push to the upside, right? So that's the analysis for Jasmy. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.